Hello God's Work International and to Bobby. This all we purchased yesterday, rainy day. Then we start from the chicken. This all 12 bags of chicken, Magnolia chicken. And some soap powder. Then the 14 trays of egg, 35 dozen. This is the pure vegetable cooking oil, 16 liters, 16 kilos. Then the corned beef in 260 grams. For the 10 families. Then have extra. Then I give to the some people who needed to have foods also. Then this one is the onion. This is the onion. 1 bale of onion. This is the garlic. And the 12 bags of rice for the 10 families. I have extra here to give some people who knocking me here to need foods, rice. So I buy extra also. Then this is the potatoes, 12 kg. For the 10 families. Then this one is the loaf bread. Yes, the loaf bread for the 10 families. And this one is the milk for the PWD and the senior citizen. And this one is for the PWD because he doesn't like to eat the bread. He cannot swallow. So I bought for him the soft one. This all we bought. And thank you so much. God bless you all.